Is it recording? Does it say recording?
Oh shit, it's recording.
Okay, wait, how far
My head is cut off.
You're sitting on that walker. You're so weird. What's wrong with you? Ah, my lip. Can you grab the lip?
Oh no.
Hey everybody, it's Miss Face Sculptus, and I'm here with my sister Bushra today. And I'm going to be swapping makeup with her. She has like a little collection of makeup and so this collection of makeup, and basically I'm going to be using her makeup to do my look. She's gonna be using mine.
Credited to me because I found this challenge.
Yeah. Featuring Momo. Woo! Say hello. It's my birthday tomorrow, so
She turned at 24.
I am. I'm getting older, so life is good.
Are we good?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Yeah, we're good. Okay, let's go. She uses Ardell Dark Brown Pomade, and she uses the Bedillion Tools. I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's the brow brush by them. Okay, I'm gonna start off with my brow.
Oh, Pops, this brush really sucks.
Your brush sucks. Your makeup sucks. No, I'm kidding. I like your makeup.
She said hi twice.
By the way, this is just Bush's phone right here, and we're just talking now. Instagram Live. You dropped one of my products?
No.
Can you go check what it is?
Oh, it's your phone.
Oh, my phone? Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
My phone has an OtterBox, so we're good. That's not an advertisement.
This couldn't be an advertisement. I'm not rich.
I'm not ready.
She wasn't ready.
I said I'm not rich.
Girl, you're not even telling what you're using.
Oh, oops. I am using ABH Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate.
Alright, so I'm using Bush's foundation as my concealer because God knows why she
Oh no,
thinks
I can't use
it's
this on my eyelid fog.
Don't use a lot of it. I'm gonna kick your ass.
I am
Bush is
now
expensive.
using
Yeah,
medium 1 custard NARS concealer.
see how I do this. This looks really nice as concealer though. I can't lie.
Okay, well now I'm starting with my stuff because Hanukka's very late, man. So I'm going in with Golden Ochre from the Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid.
In case y'all were wondering why I'm taking so long to do my brows, it's because brows make your face, and when you have none, it takes longer. Alright, I'm gonna try to take this foundation.
Okay.
Bushra, how do I freaking blend this shit out? You know what, I'll use a beauty blender. Never mind, I'm stop ranting right now.
Can you stop using so much product?
Can you not calm down, please?
I'm going in with Burnt Orange
I use
from the same palette in my crease.
So I usually take product out of my
Same
eye
with you.
because I have a really small and hooded eye. So I'm just,
You have a hooded eye, bro.
we both do, we're sisters. I'm gonna just powder this with this Revlon powder, and I'm just gonna pass more of it on.
You could just say everything I do. I'm gonna take.
Because I really want to matte it. My eyelids are really sweaty for some reason. I was born this way.
Oily, not sweaty. Okay, I'm gonna
They're
go
not
in with
oily.
red ochre.
That's right.
I'm just-
No, you're not. You didn't.
Can you
hear
stop
that.
talking for a second? Putting it in the damn crease in my corner of my eye, okay?
Okay, so I'm using this.
Look at how red we look. Like
I don't know about you, but I'm yellow as F.
Are you focused at all?
Shit. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Fire Makeup Palette. This is Bush's palette because it was on sale. Of course, Bush bought it. And I'm gonna take this yellow color because it looks kind of pretty. I'm gonna start with that in my crease. Oh, this works really well. It's really pigmented. So my general rule is when I'm doing this area, I just kind of go in like a wind wiper motion.
Okay, now we're going back in with the golden ochre.
Yo, this brush sucks
Plus
ass.
the burnt orange.
This is a Revlon brush that my sister bought from God knows when and how and where. It really hurting my eyelids. Okay. But I
Talking over me, but
oh, that's how you're mad. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in with, okay, so first I use this yellow color right here. Right?
I'm just gonna stop talking because she wasn't
one
while
right
talking.
Yo, shut up, man. We're having fun. Oh, that's too pigmented. I ruined my eye. Okay, hold on. We can blend this shit out. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this orange color and put that just in the corner of my eye here.
And I'm just gonna use this red.
Now I'm gonna cut that shit because
I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm not a makeup artist, so.
I want the color to be more like pigmented and like really pop. And I'm gonna be using this golden color right here because it looks really poppin'. So I'm gonna use this, cut it from the inner corner of my crease and to halfway. So it's gonna be a half cut crease. So I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna blend it out to the outer corner.
Now I'm gonna take Cypress Umber and I'm going to just put that in the crease as well to get a little bit more.
And I'm gonna tap this on to this area. You know, I'm just using my finger.
Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Primavera on my finger and I'm just going to put it on the eyeball area. Wow, you are so attractive. Doing the same thing with the other eye, guys. Just dabbing it on. Dab.
This film.
Hey, we're kind of doing the same-ish kind of thing.
Are we?
Oh. Never mind, we're not. Okay, so she gave me this. I don't even know what this is by.
Oh, it's by MAC. It's a loose pigment that my older sister gave me. Now I'm going to take this gold pigment. It's by B Eyeshadow. And I'm going to take that and
Don't you have like
on the same area?
I'm using a primer.
This is really popping. You know what? I'm going to do this thing to this. I'm just going to pull that up.
I'm going to do this.
And I'm going to try to use that. And I'm going to take the black.
That's what I do actually.
I'm going to pull it into the bottom part here. And pull it out like an eyeliner.
Shut the hell up.
And blend it upwards. I feel like this look would look so much better if she freaking had brushes for it.
Oh, shut the hell up before I like knock you out.
You could try. Now I'm gonna clean up the underneath of my eye using primer.
I have glitter everywhere, guys. Everywhere.
And this feels like a balm. Oh, wasn't I right? This is called the Time Balm and it's by The Balm Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna put that around my cheeks.
Yo, this thing is not sticking.
Look.
Look, it's not sticking.
Why didn't you use the glue?
You didn't give me glue.
What did you use to stick it on?
I tried to use primer. What is it called?
Concealer, that wasn't the greatest idea, but look at me. It's fine. It looks great.
This one has nothing on it.
Okay, do you want glue?
Yeah.
The good thing about this primer is that it makes your face feel like real smooth and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna do my foundation. Like, I actually prime my skin with oil first, although I should have done that.
You know what does not matter?
Shiny in 2 seconds. But
you know what does not matter? Water.
I love how you say, you know what doesn't matter? It's like, Bushra, because you don't matter.
That was mean.
I know, but it's like supposed to be a joke. Take
Holy, what just happened? Okay, I give up on your, look.
It's okay, just use a spoolie to fix that. But yeah. And now I'm just blending this ish out. Ah, I like the coverage of this. Good. Okay, so if I totally had an oil, I'd use this oil. This is making my skin look really smooth and flawless.
How did you do the eyeliner effect?
By using your stupid ass brush and like this. It was really hard.
Okay. Let's see how to do
By the way, her makeup is actually really cute, so I'm just being a douchebag for the
do this.
Do it for the vine! Alright.
Oh, I'm using the YSL. What is it?
Primer. Touche éclat. Touche éclat. I feel like this is too fair for me.
Hers is definitely gonna be hella dark.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I think this is too fair. Guys, I like my tan.
I have a feeling her foundation's gonna be alright.
Mine?
On me.
Yeah. I think we're like almost the same color, so it's okay.
Is this full coverage or not? Oh shit.
It's extremely full coverage. So for the 5th time, I have to go into this stupid freaking foundation. Although I love the night all-nighter. And I'm going to take this directly onto the tip of my beauty blender here. And I'm going to put it underneath my eye. Alright, so now I'm going to set that ish with powder. I'm going to use the beauty blender first for underneath the eye.
So I'm starting with the 340.
So apparently, this is Bush's powder brush. It's a decent brush.
It's pretty good.
I like it. It's the e.l.f. complexion brush, okay? Oh, and by the way, the powder that I've been using this whole time is the Revlon Photo Ready 30 Medium Deep. And I'm gonna use that on top of my whole face. I really
I'm seriously in love. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with ABH contour kit.
I'm gonna go with this NYX contour kit Bushra has. And I'm gonna use this shade at the very end. Alright, so I'm gonna put this from the top of my ear going towards my smile line. You want to take that contour and you want to put it right in the hollow of your cheek right here. You just want to put it underneath your jaw. Oh, and then you want to take the remainder of whatever's on your brush and you want to put that on your forehead and you want to bring it down, connect it. So essentially you're making a 3 and just connecting it around your jaw.
Oh my god.
Right there.
What I don't like about this foundation is it feels like there's a lot of stuff on my face.
I'm gonna take this e.l.f. palette. That is a blush palette and it has pretty decent colors. Clearly Bushra loves one of them a lot. She's hit pan and way past pan.
I can't find it. Dolce Vita by NARS. That one is bomb. I love this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this pink. Ooh, this pink right here because my eyes look pretty summery, Somerset-y. Okay, so you want to put this on your cheek. You're gonna tap it on, not like go like this, because that's gonna be like not good. It's gonna just move the product underneath.
What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take some highlight. So this is the Fenty Beauty. I'm going to go with Hustler Baby, obviously.
A CoverGirl True Blend Bronzer is the bronzer I'm gonna bronze my whole entire face with. Yo, these hives are getting really bad, man.
Okay, can you go fix your stuff?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with this myself. I'm getting hives on my arms because I touched my cat. To highlight, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild.
It's amazing, guys.
Mega Glow highlighting powder. I'm gonna highlight the most highest area of my cheek.
And I'm gonna make this.
The C right here. That's where I want to highlight. I want to keep this highlight soft so my eyes are still the most popping thin on my face. Yeah, use it. Use the whole thing. Then I'm gonna go in my nose area, and you don't get to use that. You didn't give me one, okay?
You told me I could use it because it's so cakey.
Woo! Now I'm gonna work underneath my eye. Now she doesn't have any kind of small shader brush, but again I'm gonna just take that plastic with the
she's
number
the whole
16
thing.
Brush underneath my eye. I'm gonna take this purple color from Papa Color.
Right? I think.
So I'm taking that purple color and putting it underneath the eye.
Wait, let the people come back.
I did blush. Where's lipstick? Oh, I don't. She didn't bring me any lipstick, so she's like, oh, you have so many lipsticks, just pick one. And I'm just gonna pick a dark color because that's what Bushra does. Oh, this color is really dark. Is this a color that you do? You would, right? Yeah, Bushra always rocks dark colors. It's like her soul.
Asshole. Can I use my own mascara?
No.
I really hate this mascara. This is Better Than Sex mascara, which I really, really do not like.
You shouldn't be saying that about my favorite mascara, okay? I don't say stuff about your products.
I'm
gonna use my mascara, her mascara in Essence/Princess. This is the green bottle. This mascara is actually nice.
And it's vegan. Should I use this one?
It's like for those people who really like the wet mascaras, because I know some people don't like the ones that are a little bit more dry, like the Better Than Sex, and that's because
for people like me who don't have an eyelash curler, that's really hard to work with.
Wow, I think I've purchased this. You guys know there's only $4. In US it's like $2.
I'm going in with the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip Love Bug. I'm not gonna line my lips because I don't need to. Oh, it's kind of like Ashton.
Yeah. So it's my birthday tomorrow, and basically I'm gonna have a party here. My dad, my family, everybody, my mom, my sisters. My oldest sister can't make it. Sad face. But my nephew's sick, so I hope he gets better. Aw, cutie pie.
So as you can see, she's not that much off with my color, and my color is not that much off with hers. So we look the same. We don't look like...
She looks like one of those pinup people, you know, from the posters back in the day. Alright everybody, we are done this look. This was done with my little sister Bushra. I try to do what she typically do, like a dark lip and those eyes. and she kind of tried to do, I think, what I do. I'm not too sure.
No.
I didn't do my hair because
That's
I
funny.
never do my hair because my hair can't.
My
be
hair's
done.
not done either. It's just in a.
Yeah, but she literally has to touch it once and it's completely great. So yeah, this is
I
our
don't have
finished
eyeliner
look.
on either, so.
Have a yes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, subscribe to this channel because you'll love me. Like if you like this video so I know what kind of stuff y'all like. And see you next time. I'm going. It's my birthday in 15 minutes. Bye.